One aspect about aging and slowing down aging that we did not discuss is hormones. Because hormones, as you notice, if you take a 10-year-old boy and a 10-year-old girl, you cut their hair the same length, and you have them just wearing underwear, you don't know if it's a boy or girl. This is pre-hormone at 10 years old. 3 years later, it's clear. What changed the body completely, and even the psychology and everything, are hormones. Okay, and then our body is exposed to these hormones in varying amounts and proportions depending on whether it's female or male for 40 years, 50 years, and then they decline. When they decline, then the body is experiencing a deficiency of these hormones. Okay, and then all the tissues that were made alive and all that start to lose their integrity, lose their elasticity, lose their viability, yeah. And then, so we see aging. So it's not because we age, hormones decline, but rather the other way around. Because hormones decline, we age. Now, why do hormones decline? Well, they would decline naturally, normally, over some period of time that's unknown to us because we don't live natural lifestyles. So we don't know. But we know that humans that do live closer to the earth are still vital and able to reproduce at advanced ages, 80, 90 years old, 100 years old, okay? So that, yes, the decline would occur, but it would occur much more slowly. And the reason it occurs so quickly is just because we don't live natural lives. We accumulate toxins. When those toxins accumulate, they also accumulate in our endocrine organs, our thyroid glands, our pituitary gland, our adrenal glands, you know, all the glands of our body that produce hormones, testes, ovaries, okay? So the decline is much quicker, okay? So a part of any anti-aging program would not only be a natural, as we discussed already, but, you know, first of all, cleansing the body, eating at appropriate intervals, not eating often again, eating real food, sleeping, exercise, all those things, but also balancing hormones. Since we grew up in societies where we were living unnaturally, our hormones are already in decline probably by the time we're 30, 40. We don't even, and you know, by the time we're 60, we're very old. So we can balance them using bioidentical hormones, plant-derived bioidentical hormones, not synthetic, patented pharmaceutical drugs, but you know, you can do that. Now, the indigenous cultures knew this. You know, the indigenous cultures of South America and all around knew using yams and other kinds of foods had hormone qualities. They do. They have steroid hormones in them, very similar to ours. So anyway, you know, hormone balancing is another one, but you need to go to an anti-aging physician who's trained in it.